Welcome to another tutorial here in the Halftone Pro panel. This time the tutorial is about enhancements and protections. Again, if you're watching this video in a language other than Brazilian Portuguese, just follow the steps. The features and buttons will be the same. First up, I'm going to talk about the color enhancement section, which is really straightforward. There's no secret to it. I've already got halftone applied here. Just a reminder, these two tools are meant for finishing touches, so you'll use them when your halftone is ready. Here, enhancing color is really simple. Notice here, look, the halftone has a nice color, but it's a little faded. If I click here on the final halftone and apply color enhancement, it will automatically bring those colors back to life. It increases the saturation and also boosts the vibrancy of the colors a bit. This is totally optional. It depends on your final result with the halftone applied, okay? This tool is also super easy to use. There's really no secret to it.